Left panel, a lyrebird in a dense Australian forest, perched on a mossy log, its tail feathers fanned out in a dazzling display. Around it, sound waves or visual cues illustrate mimicry, icons of a chainsaw, camera shutter, car alarm, and human speech. Center panel, an Arctic tern flying high above a globe like Earth, showing a faint curved migration path from the Arctic to the Antarctic, with icy landscapes at each end. The bird has long wings outstretched and appears in motion, symbolizing its 44. Right panel, a surreal Amazonian jungle scene with a Watson perched near a riverbank. The adult Watson looks slightly awkward, with a spiky crest and colorful face. Below, a chick with small wing claws is climbing a branch, water droplets around it. Kakapo, New Zealand, world's heaviest parrot, weighs up to 4 kilograms, 9 pounds, and is completely flightless. Critically endangered, fewer than 250 individuals remain, all tracked and protected.